nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon Diyos at napakaganda ng batang Eric.
Wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaking kang mabait. Kasing bait ni Papa at ni Mama, ni Kuya Leo, at syempre kasing bait din ni Mami.
Lost in a daydream. Can't find where the compass is headed. Don't let the world go and weigh you down. So all these walls that keep you hidden,
Angel, happy birthday!
go pack those bags and hop on the next flight out. Don't complicate it, everyone's waiting for you. Imagine all you can do. Imagine all you can do.
Happy birthday! Love you! Wish ko sa'yo, maging mabait ka palagi, saka mag-aral mabuti.
Imagine all you can do. Imagine all you can do. Imagine all you can do.
Ang naalala ko dito kay Angel, every time na siya pumupunta ng Mindoro, doon sa kanyang lulabing, katabi lang ang ilog. Nako, naliligo. Araw-araw naliligo.
Happy birthday, Angel!
Happy birthday, Angel! Mahal ka namin. God bless you.